Okay, so I'm in the university. There's a security guard. I don't know if you can see them afar. No, you can't see them. They were there before I was. Like, they passed by just before I arrived. So this is to show you that my bag, while I was sleeping, has been damaged. Where I'm supposed to use that bag for going to. Anyway, I can buy a new one. It's like I don't have much money left, but it's like I have on my bank account, but it's an online bank account, and I need some pieces of IT. This is this bag which has been fucked as well. I don't know what happened with me, but I guess that if anything going too far would have happened, it's like I have a too heavy price to pay. There you can see that they're against DDQ with Trump because it's orange, but yet it's talking about Kleinkindern. Klein, Kinder, KK. Klein is small. Kinder is a kid. So perhaps it means something like small attention, like care. But the thing is that you read in this that there is like small kids, little kids in it, Aufwunsch, Sprechseiten. So it's like werden Eltern, so parents so perhaps it's just like, yeah, the parents are gonna come, they're gonna get the kid away, and you can take a ticket to then pick the kid of your choice. And this is something that is embedded within the university system. And age 25, like me. So the numbers mean something because I woke up at 555, and here there is a 444, 674, 829. 829, it's like 811. And this is the presidential, this is me, age 25. So someone who's looking like me, so perhaps a black or mixed race, queer individual. And you see my skin is quite clear in winter. I used to be darker in summer. My skin might have been lightened up at some point with my food, or I don't know what. I'm gonna figure that out, and the people who's done this is gonna pay the high price for it. So then 674, it's as well as 611, but I don't know what it refers to. It's the inverse, the flip of 911. So perhaps the one of below is about sexual activities. Then the age 23 is 1414. Perhaps it's about the killing because it's a flip of the 611. And then the 444, it's 13. It's 12, sorry, then reduce to 3. So it's something evil. Torture? I don't know. Perhaps it's just torture without the killing. On the room 19. I can't tell much for this. Like I can only guess. Those are codes which are as well moving all the time according to who's the main target, which is one of the point as well, right? To have a main target like this, it changes the codes, I imagine, right? And so you need to follow up on this to follow the actualization of the code. So then you don't get caught. But then the codes comes are coming back in cycles. So at some point you don't need to follow anymore because you are mastering the entire thing, the entire cycle, and you know what is what, when it's what, why it's used like this, and so on. It's like, oh, this time we are using red for Republican and not Democrat. This is the same thing. And this is why as well you gain in seniority within the companies because you understand better. You understand better how the system works. So you can adapt faster your company system according in a discrete manner according to what's going on in the back. So deception is essential at each layer, and lies are essential at each layers. And you need to know how to lie, not to get caught, so that the system would not collapse, therefore. But the dictator Trump is at the top, like others, and they are making everything collapse right now. And they don't want to pay the price. And they want others to pay the price for their mistakes, their continuous mistakes. That is killing the entire system. And so they're like, no, I don't want to, no, I want to. And at the same time, they kick the system to be like, no, I stay here. But the thing is just collapsing under their feet. And then they kill someone who is holding a piece of the system, and another one who is holding a piece of the system because they need the power. So to say, they need the power. But then they destroy the system, they continue to destroy the system. And the pyramid is just like collapsing on absolutely every. And so then they are just like on one foot while they don't have, they can't stay, and then they try to grab the arm of someone and to throw them down the alley to remain like to hold on the thing, at the highest possible. This is a bit the image of what's going on. But then the thing, they keep kicking the thing and they keep destroying it and bumping everything. And they don't want to go down so that the entire thing would not collapse.